Valuation of labor. The monetary valuation of labor provides a scale for analyzing the distribution of family labor within a farming system and the potential replacement by hired labor. This applies especially to the allocation of family labor capacities between agricultural operations and off-farm employment. An approximate monetary valuation of labor in the household and in social engagement is indeed conceivable through indirect methods. However, the effort and potential inaccuracy of such approaches are rarely reasonably proportionate to the analytical value of the results. To assess how labor in these two areas influences the decision-making behavior of rural households, comparing physical needs with the current supply is more appropriate. This approach is described in more detail in the lecture on household analysis. Even in farming and income-generating off-farm activities, every type of labor can have multiple values at the same time. The choice of the relevant value for the resource allocation within a farming system follows the logic that corresponds to the goals of the analysis. A suitable starting point is the evaluation of labor according to the economic principle of profit maximization. A use of labor that deviates from the highest contribution to material economic success does not necessarily mean a suboptimal use of labor resources. Foregoing maximum monetary compensation can also be justified by contributions to the intangible goals of the farming family.